Keystone jack with Cat5e cable. So here are the tools: the impact terminal tool, the wire stripper tool, Keystone jack, wall plate, and Cat5e cable. So firstly, we need to strip the jacket of the wire around 1.5 inch using the stripper tool. So now it's open, and we have to unwind the wires. So now we have to straighten it. Straight. So now we have a look at the Keystone jack. Okay, so the Keystone jack has two color codes, which is A and B. So for this wiring, we are going to use the B color code. Okay, so we are going to start off from above. So the first color is white green. So make sure you insert it correctly. Alright, so then you take the impact terminal tool. So this is the outer side, this is the inner side, because this side is sharper to cut the wires. So make sure you do this on a flat surface. So now it's cut, as you can see. So continue doing it. So the next color is green. Alright, so next, white, blue. Next is blue. Alright, so now it's cut. So we follow the color white orange. last two colors are white, brown and brown. So now we're going to test the Keystone jack with the Cat5e cable. So first we insert the Cat5e cable, the RJ45 cable, and then insert the other side into the female of the Keystone jack. Then the other side of the Keystone jack, we put it here. So next we turn the tester on. So now turn it on. Alright, so it says straight and all wires are lighting up. See here. So you can test one by one. Turn it on. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're done. Inserting Keystone jack to the wall plate. So here is the Keystone jack and here is the wall plate. So make sure this is upwards and you just slot it in. Now you can